welcome to Brainwave Academy. This is another form of quadratic equation. It's a formation of quadratic equation given roots. Given that 3s squared minus 4s plus 3 is equal to 0, find the quadratic equation whose roots are this. You see, it's somehow complicated, but I want to tell you the equation of the form that you can use to solve this equation. We have s squared. This is the form. S squared minus sum of quadratic equation s plus product is equals to 0. So this is what you're going to use to solve this question. It is something as s squared minus, what is our sum, which is alpha plus beta, all s plus product alpha beta is equals to 0. This is what you are going to use to solve the equation of the quadratic equation. So now, but here they will give you another quadratic equation. They ask you to use another and to find another quadratic equation, which is very complicated. What you are going to do in this, the first one I give to you, what you are going to use it for is to find a, b, and c. That is all. So here we have 3s squared minus 4s plus 3 is equals to 0. The equation of form of quadratic equation is as squared plus bs plus c is equals to 0. Our a is equals to 3, our b is equals to minus 4, our c is equals to 3. Our a is equals to 3, our b is equals to minus 4, our c is equals to 3. You keep this for now. So in this case, what you are going to do is this. A, I'll pick the first one as my alpha. I'll pick it as my alpha, or I'll pick it as my A. See that the alpha is there. A, 1 over 3 alpha. Then B is equals to 1 over 3 beta. Because here, if I want to use alpha and beta, it will be somehow difficult for me. Here, I'll change it to A plus B. Here, I'll change it to AB. So, my A plus B now is this. A plus B. I'll add the two roots. 1 over 3 alpha plus 1 over 3 beta. So we have A plus B is equals to LCM. 3 is common, then alpha beta. 3 is common, then alpha beta. 3 divided by 3 cancel. Alpha cancel, alpha remain beta. Beta times 1 we have beta. Plus, if you do the same thing here, it will remain what? Alpha. Which means A plus B is equals to alpha plus beta all over 3 alpha beta. Alpha plus beta from this, alpha plus beta from here, alpha from this equation, alpha plus beta is equals to minus b over a. That is minus, open bracket, minus 4 all over a is equals to what? 3. Minus cancel, we have 4 over 3. Then alpha beta is equals to c over a. What is c? C is 3. And a is equals to what? 3. 3 divided by 3 we have 1. So I will now come and impute it into this this formula. Alpha plus beta is what? 4 over 3. All over 3 open bracket alpha beta 1. Which means I have 4 over 3 divided by 3 times 1, we have 3 over 1. So we are going to have, let me clean this one for now, so that I have space. I have A plus B is equal to 4 over 3 divided by 3 over 1, which is same thing as A plus B is equals to 4 over 3 times 1 over 3 is 4 over 9. This is it. Then remember I need AB. And what is my A? A is 1 over 3 alpha and B is equals to 1 over 3 beta. That is 1 over 3 alpha, 1 over 3 alpha times 1 over 3 beta. It's equals to 1 over 3 times 3 is 9 alpha beta. Is AB is equals to 1 over 9 times alpha beta. Alpha beta is 1 times 1. Is equals to 1 over 9 times 1, 9. I have get my AB and what? A plus B. Therefore, I can find the quadratic equation for these root givings. So, we now have the formula is what? S squared minus A plus B into S plus AB is equals to 0. We now have S squared minus A plus B is 4 over 9. 4 over 9. S, AB is 1 over 9 is equals to 0. So we now have S squared minus 4S all over 9 plus 1 over 9 is equals to 0 over 1. We find the LCM of 9. And the LCM will be what? 9. So LCM is 9. We have s squared. So LCM is 9. 9 divided by 1, we have 9. 9 times s squared, we have 9s squared. Minus 9 divided by 9 is 1. 1 times 4s, we have 4s. Plus 9 divided by 9 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1 is equal to 0. Cross multiply. If you cross multiply, we now have 9s squared minus 4s plus 1 is equal to 9 times 0 is 0. This is the quadratic equation that have this root. We are done with the first one. But I have to take note of things. From here, I'll take note of my alpha plus beta because I still need it for all the question, which is what? Minus b, that is 4 over a 3. Alpha beta is equal to 0, which is 1. Take note of that. So the second question, I need to find my a plus b and ab again. My a for the second question is this. B, a is equal to alpha squared. My b is equal to beta squared. So a plus b is equal to alpha squared plus what? Beta squared. Which is a plus b is equal to this one have its own form, which is alpha plus beta all squared minus 2 alpha beta. Which is a plus b is equal to alpha plus beta is minus b over a, which is what? 4 over 3 all squared minus 2 of alpha beta is 1. Is a plus b is equal to 4 times 4 is 16, 3 times 3 is 9, minus 2 over 1. So we find the LCM. LCM is now 9. 9 divided by 9 is 1. 1 times 16 is 16, minus 9 divided by 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is what? 18. A plus b is equal to what? Minus 2 all over 9. Remember, I need to find AB. AB. AB is equal to the root, which is alpha squared times beta squared. Is AB is equal to alpha squared beta squared, which is written as alpha beta all squared. AB is equal to alpha beta is what? Is 1 all squared, which is equal to 1. Then from our general equation for quadratic, we have s squared minus a plus b into s plus ab is equal to 0. We now have s squared minus a plus b is minus 2 over 9 into s plus ab is 1 is equal to 0. We now have s squared minus times minus is plus 2 times s 2s over 9 plus 1 is equal to 0 over 1 over 1. Find the LCM. If you find the LCM, you have 9. 9 divided by 1 is 9. 9 times s squared is 9s squared. Plus 9 divided by 9 is 1. 1 times 2s is 2s. Plus 9 divided by 1 is 9. 9 times 1 is 9 is equal to 0. We have 1 cross multiply. If you do that, you are going to have 9s squared plus 2s plus 9 is equal to 9 times 0 is 0. This is the correct equation that have this roots. So the last one is this. Let me start from here. Final question. Our aim is to find a plus b and ab. If you can do that, substitute it into the general equation, we are done. So in this question, my a is equal to 1 plus alpha over beta. And there's no way you can use it like you have to simplify. Make this over 1. A is equal to LCM is beta. Beta divided by 1 is beta. Beta times 1 is beta. Plus beta divided by beta is 1. 1 times alpha is alpha. Which means you are going to have A is equal to alpha plus beta all over beta. Then B is equal to 1 plus beta all over alpha. Make this over 1 again. Beta is equal to LCM is alpha. Alpha times divided by 1 is alpha. Alpha times 1 is alpha plus alpha divided by alpha is 1. 1 times beta is beta. This is equal to alpha plus what? Beta all over alpha. So, but A plus B. Oh, this is B. Sorry, this is B. This is B. So A plus B now is equal to the first one, which is alpha plus beta all over beta plus alpha plus beta all over alpha, which is A plus B is equals to LCM is what? Alpha beta. Beta cancel beta, we have alpha. We now put alpha here. Use it to open the bracket alpha plus beta. Plus alpha cancel alpha, we have beta, open bracket alpha plus beta. This is what we have. Then expand the bracket. We have A plus B is equals to alpha times alpha, we have alpha square, plus alpha times beta, we have alpha beta, plus alpha beta times alpha, we have alpha beta, then beta times beta, we have beta square, all over alpha beta. So now I can clean this. So the next thing is we have A plus B is equal to, now add this one, the one that has square, or this one and this one. We have alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta plus alpha beta, that is 2 alpha beta, 2 alpha beta all over alpha beta. But remember that, recall that alpha square plus what? Beta square have its own formula, which is what? Alpha plus beta all square minus 2 alpha beta. I will impute this into this. We now have A plus B is equal to alpha, instead of alpha square plus beta square, I'll write this one, alpha plus beta all square minus 2 alpha beta. Then there's another one here, plus 2 alpha beta all over alpha beta. We now have A plus B is equal to alpha plus beta all square minus alpha 2 alpha beta plus 2 alpha beta, it will cancel, all over alpha beta. This is what we have as A plus B. Then we now impute our answer. A plus B is what? A plus B from the equation we have is, okay. From here, alpha plus beta is, we have taken note of it as 4 over 3. That is 4 over 3 all square. Alpha beta is what? 1. Then 4 times 4 is 16. 3 times 3 is 9. Then 16 divided by 9 divided by 1, we still have 16 over 9. That is alpha plus beta. Then alpha beta now, what is the root? Alpha beta is equal to, this is A, this is B. We multiply it to each other, which is alpha plus beta all over beta, open bracket close, alpha plus beta all over alpha. If you multiply it through, you are going to have alpha plus beta all square, because twice now, then all over alpha beta. If you do this, it's the same thing as this. It's the same thing as this, which is the same thing as what? 16 over 9. So if you do that, we now go to our normal equation. So normal equation, we have s squared minus a plus b into s plus ab is equals to 0. We now have s squared minus a plus b is what? 16 over 9 into s plus 16 over 9 is equals to 0. You can make this over 1. We have s squared over 1 minus 16x all over 9 plus 16 over 9 is equals to 0. And the LCM of all this is 9. 9 divided by 1 is 9. 9 times s, we have 9s squared. Minus 9 divided by 9 is what? 1. 1 times 16s, we have 16x. Plus the same thing here, we have 1. 1 times 16, 16 is equals to 0. Cross multiply. 1 times all this, we have 9s squared minus 16s plus 16 is equals to 9 times 0 is what? 0. This is the quadratic equation that have the roots. Thank you. Peace out. This is 9.